it's Linda from Linda's Closet. Please don't forget to subscribe below and ring the bell so you'll get notifications every time there's a video up. And okay, so it's New Year's Eve. I'm not going to any parties. I like to go to lunch early in a movie and go to bed early. That's my big hurrah. So for today, I'm going to do a video, maybe nothing to do with that. But anyway, I think it works anyway. If you're on my kind of schedule, it works. So today we're going to do a look for daytime. If you work and you're in an office and you can wear jeans, or if you are running around town and you want to look good, or if you have daytime meetings, or if you're going to lunch, if you're going out with your husband, whatever, you know, any kind of daytime look. It's a daytime look. And we're going to zhuzh it up a bit because I kind of zhuzh up all my daytime looks. It's a matter of finding, again, your style and what works on you and what makes you feel good. So, okay, nothing new at Zara. It's all going to be sale stuff till February, but that's okay because that's a good opportunity to go in our closet and pick out the things we haven't worn yet. So I'm starting with this Zara top that I wasn't sure about. I thought for sure it's going to look terrible, and then I tried it on. It's pretty good. I like it. So, it's a funky knit material. It's a funky geometric pattern. It's got sort of a funky, this is sort of a Elizabethan sleeve, I would call it. Now it buttons, but I've got it buttoned. I've got a t-shirt underneath, okay? It's got a little bit of a metallic feel to it. It's not metallic, but it's on the cusp there, the way they've done the knitting. It's got a little Missoni feel to it. Okay, so took this piece, went to my jeans, and mostly what I have is jeans, black jeans, white jeans, gray, green, blue. Okay, and lo and behold, here's a pair of jeans with the gold and the red stripes. So I thought, okay, that goes really nicely. I'll put that together. Okay, then I grabbed this sweater, which I got at Zara, which I saw a couple of times, and I bought it like the second time. So you don't have to buy the first time. Depends on your mood, depends on how you're feeling, what looks good. Some days things look good, some days they don't. Put this on. I thought, you know, I'll make this work with something. And it's very cold here. And lo and behold, I think this works. I like the color combination. Okay, so we're off to a good start. Just 3 pieces, typical thing I do. Okay, now, you know, everything's Gucci, and everything Gucci is over the top. So I keep that in mind when I'm putting myself together. So now we're back to, I thought, you know, if we're gonna amp it up, let's do some more bling. So I've got these necklaces from J. Crew I told you about. This, you know, I got online at J. Crew. They were about $100+. I'm telling you, they go with everything. I would really invest in some. And I have not seen a lot of costume jewelry like in Bloomingdale's. Even Zara doesn't have a lot. They have some good stuff, but they don't have a lot. So start looking for that. Etsy, Amazon. But I do recommend highly the J. Crew jewelry. Okay. I'm going with the mixed earring look. This is an earring I've had forever. And then these I got like in Paris or something, forever, remember? Buying while shopping. Okay, it's just casual, right? It's casual, but it's got a little flair to it. Okay, so I need a belt to hold my pants up. So I got this metallic Prada belt, which I've had forever, and it carries the theme of this. It's actually in this shirt, if you look at it up close. Okay, for shoes, kind of tried everything on, wasn't really digging anything with it. Ended up like with these Zara loafers, and I wanted some loafers because I love loafers with socks. Zara had these loafers, a little bit of studding, a little tassel, pretty comfortable. A lot of the loafers you'll find are very hard, very stiff. I can't wear that. These are soft, they've got some bend. I did it with a bobby sock just because it's cold and I'm covering up. Okay, so for the bag, all of this is counterintuitive, right? I picked an orange bag. It just seemed to give it a pop of color. A little bit of rust in the shirt. I liked it. Okay. It's cold. So I'm going to throw a coat over, and I just grabbed this blue coat because it just seemed like, you know, the clothes will tell you where they want to be. They'll tell you what goes with what if you really stand back and just kind of let it talk to you. Okay. This and this. I might do gloves, and we're off. Okay? That's our look for Tuesday. It's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. I think 2020. It's supposed to be the golden age in the voodoo world, so, or woo world, whatever. So good. So hope we all have a good New Year, and I will see you soon. Thanks for joining us on Linda's Closet.